Bonnie, happy Saturday. Oh my gosh, you guys. I told you I wanted to unbox this Lush gift pack online, so now I'm going to do it. Let me get this up on the screen. I love the Lush gifts. I feel like this is like one of those things when you gift this to someone, it's like really special. If you're just joining me, I've been reviewing Lush for probably I want to say like 5 years. Short story, Lush was actually the reason I became a beauty blogger slash vlogger. How funny is that? So obviously I'd been a fan of Bath and Body Works for years and years and years. 90s, 2000s, Yankee. I've always been a fan of everything candles, body care. But then I'd been working full time. I got really, really bad pneumonia back in 2016, totally out of the blue. I never had pneumonia in my life. I don't know what happened, just an odd, random thing. And I was on a really powerful antibiotic. And my hair started kind of getting really thin and brittle. And believe it or not, I actually was watching a Graveyard Girl video where she was talking about the Lush shampoo bars. And I tried one. I was like totally blown away by what they did to my hair. They come in different scents, lemon, sea salt. So I had kind of just added them to my repertoire of hair care. And of course, as you all know, I've added in the Korean Beauty, the Avon Propoly Thera, and I kind of do a combination of those two. I never really stray now from those two shampoo brands, almost to the point where now that, I've actually stopped a bunch of my beauty boxes because I was getting a lot of hair care. And I'm like, no, Lush Hair Bar, Propoly Thera are like my two go-to hair products, and they've done wonders for my hair. So needless to say, my hair stopped being brittle. And in the past year or two, since I've been using the combo of the Lush and the Propoly Thera, my hair is wonderful now. So I'm super happy about that. But that's kind of how I got into Lush. So once I discovered those hair bars, I started looking at all the bath bombs, because if you go to a Lush store, it's like being at an amusement park for like body care. They have wonderful, wonderful racks of just like colorful bath bombs. It smells really overpowering in there. It's something to get used to, but they have all kinds of hair care, skin care, bath bombs. I love Lush. Lush is such a treat. Unfortunately, I haven't been to a Lush store in a really long time because of the pandemic. The only store that we have is in the greater Cleveland area, and it's kind of far from us, so I haven't really been in there, but I order online all the time. So Lush Halloween and Christmas are my favorites at Lush. They do these amazing gift packs. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you get one of these in the mail from someone, it's such a treat. So this one is called They Only Come Out at Night. There is a tag on here, and then when you open it up, it shows what is in the bag, and there's a to and from little place on here you can write on. So this is actually a backpack. By the way, Lush is vegan and self-preserving. They use a lot of really high-end scents. They use a lot of lavender, patchouli, kind of natural scents. So let me open this up. This is so cute. This is actually a string bag. It's like a backpack, and then you can take out the box. By the way, these are $44.95. So a neat gift for under $50. And then you've got this super cute string backpack that you also get that's actually part of the gift. And it is Lush branded. There's a Lush tag on this, and it's really well made. I'll have to say, any of the knot wraps or the gifting packaging from Lush, top notch, absolutely top notch. So here's the box then. And then you can open it up and check it out. This one says it was packed by Carlene's team. Occasionally, and it happens more for me at Easter, you will get a product that kind of broke apart or a little bit or leaked. If you call Lush, They do have wonderful customer service, but by nature, because all of this is handmade, sometimes you do get a little bit of weird like leakage on a product. And case in point, check this out. My ectoplasm here has got part of the bat on it. Now, because I'm keeping this, it's not a big deal. It's a little bit, where'd my tag go? I don't have my tag, you guys. I just had this setting here. This is what happens when I get disorganized. Did it fall on the floor? That's okay. I don't need the tag. It doesn't bother me when I'm getting it myself because all I got to do is wash this off. It's perfectly good. It's a little bit frustrating if you gift one of these and then your giftee gets something that looks like it leaked a little bit, but then they can call Lush customer service. So I always tell people, like, don't worry too much about it. Only occasionally does this happen. Oh my gosh, the ectoplasm is really neat. It's a shower slime. I'm going to do sync demos of all of this. There's nothing more fun than a shower slime. We also got, this is what kind of got on, see my bat. My bat looks sad now. This is the Bath Art Bath Bomb. I was trying to say that yesterday, remember? And I was like, can't do it, can't do it. This is Sicilian lemon and mandarin with rosemary and sage. The scent of Lush is just so relaxing to me. I absolutely love it. I also got, this is the Halloween bubble bar we have. How cute is this? This one is called Alien, and it says it is, oh, that smells good. Bergamot, Litzy, I don't even know what this is. Oil, I've never heard of that. It's basically a fruity, citrusy scent. Sometimes you have to Google the ingredients a little bit, but this looks really neat. It's neon green. How cool is this? I'm loving the Alien. Okay, that's a really cool thing. We also got one of the, check this out. This is the Ghosty, it's called, and it's basically a popping candy bath bomb. Again, I will do sync demos of all of this stuff. Rainbow lemongrass scented waters with crackling popping candy. So this one actually had 4 products in it. You're going to pay a little bit more when you get a gift box. They have a little bit of a, on the tag and in here are the description of each product. You're going to pay a little bit more for the gift packs. They've got this for Christmas. They've got this giant advent calendar. It's basically like a box that's like this big, full of Lush. One of these days, maybe I will get that. I don't know. I told my husband I want one of those for Christmas. But our whole family loves Lush. It's a wonderful experience to play with these bubble bars. They fill the tub with wonderful citrus-smelling bubbles. The bath bombs are neat, although the black one does turn your tub really, really black. So you got to clean the tub after you use that one. But like I said, I'll be demoing out a ton of this Lush stuff. But like I said, this is the only come out at night gift pack, and I'm just over the top. Everything fell on the floor, you guys. I'm really over the top. Oh, here's my tag. This is exactly what I was looking for. I never took it off the bag. But I really like this. I collect all of this Lush stuff. I collect the knot wraps, and I collect all of the gifty backpacky things. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will put the link to Lush below. It's basically lushusa.com. They were started in the UK, so there is a UK site for Lush. That's where they have like the Lush kitchen and stuff. They do like experimental fun stuff. But definitely check them out because I think you're in for a treat. So anyway, I will see you guys later, and I will start demoing this stuff out for Halloween. Bye-bye.